Viewpoint shift. Adjusting rendering angles too time consuming? Do it easily now. SUAPP AIR adds viewpoint shift, full presets and flexible control. Fix all view issues in one click. 2 modes available. 1. Target view. 2. Operation methods. Manual drag. Drag mouse freely to adjust and lock precise angles. Quick presets. Click top presets to switch perspectives instantly. Adjust direction, angle and framing freely. 2. Roam. Once enabled, it enters point cloud visualization for easier view adjustment. It also supports 3 fine-tuning parameters. Custom aspect ratio. Set ratio freely for different output sizes. Fill strength. Higher value for fuller scenes with fewer empty spaces. Focal. Higher value narrows vision. Lower value widens field of view. Tap create to revert view after adjusting. Viewpoint shift makes rendering work efficient and flexible, ideal for all project scenarios.